60, maybe. Welcome back to Mule Media. Today, I've come trackside again at Three Sisters with my friend Carl and his MX5 for my first experience on track as a passenger so far. Hopefully by the end of the day, I'm going to attempt to have a go. So I've literally just had my first time on track as a passenger. Let me tell you, drifting is absolutely insane. This MX5 is like 250 brake, it's ridiculous. So after this short break at the dinner time now, I'm going to head trackside now and try and catch Carl, get some photos for him. The level of cars has quite impressed me today. So years ago, the cars didn't used to be as good as they are now, just for practice. And the level of skill has actually improved massively. What horsepower were you running at MX5? A good 60, maybe. Most of the day today, done a couple of sets of tyres, and I am exhausted. And it's not even me who's been doing most of the driving, it's been Carl, so it does take quite a bit of stamina to be on track actually, more than I thought it would be. And it's now 10 to 4, and there's still quite a lot of people on track at the minute.